Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can simply and easily adjust margins in Google Documents. So first step, in order to adjust margins, you will have to go right here to File, so click on it. Now go all the way down this menu until you see Page Setup right here. Click on it. Now this will open up this window, and down here you have margins in inches. So this is the top margin, this is the bottom one, this is the left one, and this is the right one. So just adjust them to your liking, rewrite the number, and then don't forget to press OK to save it, or set as default if you want every page to be like this. So click on OK, and now as you can see, my margins has been adjusted. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.